Turkey fight. These boys need girlfriends. Come on, fellas. You're fine. Oh. Cut it out, you two. Hey, buddy. Is he being a jerk? He's being a jerk. We don't need that. Hey, knock it off, bully. Leave this guy alone. Alright. Cut it out. What it? Get that crap out. Your girlfriends are coming. Just gotta wait. Finally got both male pigs out on pasture. Let's hope they stay behind the fence this time. Should have been done months ago, but try moving pigs all by yourself. It's an experience. Takes an awful lot of patience. You guys ready to go to bed? Ready to go to bed? You are? Maybe. You might be. Yeah.